Welcome back to today's video with Tech with Mark, and what we're going to be looking at today is how we can freeze panes. Now this is really useful as when we are moving around in different data sets such as this one where we've decided to get all the Pokemon, it can become quite confusing. Or if you were kind of a couple of things down here and you'd be like, oh well, what does this column relate to or this column? So this freezing panes helps along with that. Starting out then, where you have your data set, you want to go up to view. And the first one that we're going to look at is freeze panes here, and we're going to just freeze the top row to start with, and it will freeze all that top row for us across there. So as we now scroll down through the data, we can see that if we were to look in column C or B for example, we can now know of what percentage males we would be getting or what the Pokedex number would be for that, rather than kind of having to guess that or even remember it from when it was up at the top. If you want to remove this, then we're going to click back onto the freeze panes, and then we're going to unfreeze the panes. Another thing that we can do is clicking on into column A, we can click up to them freeze panes, and we can click freeze first column. What's this going to do then? As we move across, we can see that that whole first column doesn't move, and if you have anything that kind of goes past this AA point over here, then at that point it's going to help you a little bit. Again, to remove this, we're going to come up to the top, we're going to click on panes, and we're going to unfreeze the panes. And then the final part that we're going to do, say we want to freeze that part of the data, but we also want to freeze this part of the data down here. Then what we can do is we click into the box that we want to move it from. So if we say we want to have Blastoise and above, and we want to keep all that column there, then we can go into the freeze panes and then freeze panes there. And you see there where these lines have been brought up and across. What this will do now is we can scroll down from Blastoise if we wanted to do, but at the same time as well, when we scroll across, that will then hold that there. Again, to remove this, click up to the top, click onto unfreeze panes, and that will remove all of them. Hope this helps guys, thanks a lot for watching.